Hello everyone and welcome. And in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Gmail sender name. The first thing you're going to do is from here open up a Gmail and then click on the gear icon and then click on see all settings. Click on accounts and import at the top here, so you can see change account settings here. We're looking for send mail as. This is the send me as, so this is the name I put there. Just simply click on edit info to change to the original name you want to put it, and when you click on save changes. This is update the name that appears in the front field of your outgoing mail. So once you've done that, that's it. You can also change the name associated with your Gmail address. You can only change the name associated with your Gmail address. You cannot change the actual email address itself. So note that. So that's it. That is how to change Gmail sender name in Gmail.